Hello everybody, welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. This morning I had a very exciting delivery and I just couldn't help myself. I had to film it straight away and I want to share with you because I want to start wearing them as soon as possible. The day I'm filming this is the 23rd of December, which is 2 days before Christmas, and Santa has definitely arrived 2 days early for me because oh my gosh, I have honestly just been spoiled rotten. So the delivery is from this gorgeous jewelry brand called Readyourheart. If you've never heard of Readyourheart before, they specialize in Moissanite jewelry. If you've never heard of a Moissanite before, what it essentially is, it's an alternative to a diamond, but for a fraction of the cost. So Moissanite was created in the lab, and to the naked eye it looks almost identical to a diamond. It's very hard to someone who's not trained to actually be able to tell the difference, especially if you buy high quality Moissanite from a brand like Readyourheart. When you first purchase from them, they also give you this gorgeous gift bag, which makes it super great if you want to gift any of their products, or if you're just buying something for yourself and you want to gift yourself. It looks really pretty. Their branding is really cute and it looks really nice and luxe as well. It's almost that kind of Tiffany blue color. Also, when you purchase from them, again, for anyone who's not very familiar with diamonds or Moissanite, usually when you purchase diamonds you get a certificate to assure you that what you're buying is authentic. So with Moissanite you actually get a GRA certification. So this is what you get as well when you purchase from Readyourheart. So when you open it up, it comes up with this Moissanite report from the GRA. So what the GRA stands for is the Global Gemological Research Association, which basically kind of just reassures you that you are getting the real deal. And this is what their reports look like, and it looks very similar to what a report would look like if you were to buy a real diamond or lab diamond. So it tells you here the grading report and the grading results. Some of the things that are really important when buying diamonds or Moissanite are the color, the clarity, and the cut. And as you can see here, it kind of breaks down everything, and then on this side it tells you the specifics of the item that you have actually purchased. But I'll go into more detail on the grading report once I show you what I picked up from them. So not only do you get this reassurance that the product that you're buying is authentic, but you also get this card right here, which is the Moissanite manufacturing guarantee and the global warranty card. And then you've got a QR code here that you can scan as well, so you can have that guarantee that everything is authentic, which is great. You also get one of these leaflets that kind of just give you a little bit more information on the brand. I have actually collaborated with them in the past, and I told you all about the story and how the brand was founded, how the founder lost her ring while she was on holiday, and there she met someone else who was wearing a Moissanite ring, and that's how the whole brand came about. But if you want to read more information on how the brand started, you can definitely do so on their website. So in this leaflet it tells you a little bit of information on the brand, their story, more information about Moissanite, how it was created. So for instance, it says natural Moissanite is incredibly rare. So Moissanite available today is lab created. After years of research and science breakthroughs, Readyourheart have created the perfect Moissanite to be available for all your fine jewelry needs. It also says in here that Moissanite is actually the most popular alternative to diamonds, which is no surprise because it's a fraction of the cost for what you'd pay for a diamond, and also they're much more sustainable. Also, it tells you how to care for your jewelry and any information on returns, because they also accept returns, which is great. And also when you purchase from them you get this cleaning cloth, which is a nice little addition. And now moving on, just looking at the box and judging by the quality of the box, you can tell that it's really good quality. So when you open it up, products are going to be in this clear plastic pouch. So if you are about to propose to someone or you're buying for a ring that's a gift for someone else, then I would suggest you take it out of this clear plastic pouch and actually put it inside the box. I feel like that is going to be a lot nicer in terms of presentation. So this is the ring that I picked out. Oh my goodness, it's just so stunning. I am honestly so in love with it. I've been lusting over an oval shaped engagement ring for the longest time, and this one is just absolutely fabulous. So this is their 3.5 carat oval Moissanite hidden halo engagement ring, and it's absolutely stunning. So the carat weight is 3.5 carats. The color grade is color D. So if you look at this chart here, you can see that it's rated by the grade, the clarity, and the cut. So in terms of the grade, D is the best grade that you can have, which is what this ring has. Also in terms of the clarity, you can see that flawless and internally flawless are the top two, and then VVS1 is the third best. So this one is VVS1, so you can see it's very up there. It's very difficult to get one that is flawless or internally flawless, so VVS1 is considered exceptional quality. Also in terms of the cut, it's got an excellent cut. So as you can see here, excellent is pretty much the top and the best that you can get. So in that sense, you have here all the reassurance that what you're buying is actually really good quality. So yeah, I'm super happy with this ring. I absolutely love the shape of it. I just love how beautiful it is. Also, it's got really cute four spaced smaller gemstones, which are really cute, and it's actually set on sterling silver. So the setting is actually on sterling silver 925. And yeah, this is it in all its glory. It's absolutely stunning. Moissanite is an amazing alternative to diamonds, especially if you want something, first of all, that is more value for money, but sometimes actually moissanites have a lot more fire in them and they sparkle in a much nicer way than a diamond would. So that's another selling point. Let's say you have a real diamond, but you want something that you want to travel with, something that you're not worried about maybe losing on holiday, or you're just in certain circumstances that you just don't feel comfortable wearing your real diamond ring. These are incredible. Also, they're very strong and durable, just as much as a diamond would be, so that makes them really practical. Let's say if you're a stay-at-home mom and you want something, you know, you're cooking and cleaning all day long, these are a great alternative for a fraction of the price as well, and they look just as beautiful as diamonds. So this is the engagement ring that I picked up, and that was the main reason why I wanted to film this video as soon as they arrived, because I want to wear it. It's just so beautiful. And the second one that I picked up to go with it is this gorgeous one. It also comes in this gorgeous box, the same kind of branding as the previous ones. All their rings come in this branding actually, and this kind of box, and it came in this pouch, clear plastic pouch, which I will open and I will pop in the box so you can see what that looks like. And this is what the second ring that I picked up looks like. So this is their silver wedding band stackable ring, moissanite of course in sterling silver base, and it's got 7 cute gorgeous diamonds. It is quite chunky, I would say, for a wedding band, so if you want something that's definitely a statement, this will do the trick. This is what they look like combined together, and they're such a statement combination. It would definitely not go unnoticed. Honestly, I'm just so in love. It's definitely bold, it's definitely out there. Usually I'm more kind of understated and minimal, but this is just, you know, it's serving looks. I absolutely adore this combination. Let me show you just the wedding band on its own as well, so you can see what that looks like in case you have a different shaped ring. This is what the wedding band looks like on its own. Again, really beautiful. Read Your Heart are also kindly offering my audience a 15% discount code, which is Elena15. I'll leave it on the screen and linked in the description section down below if you'd like to take advantage of it and save some money if you purchase from Read Your Heart. I'll make sure to leave the 2 rings that I've shared with you in today's video linked in the description section down below if you are interested to check them out. Although they specialize in mainly moissanite jewelry, they have so many other metals that they sell on their website, including 10 karat gold, 14 karat yellow gold, rose gold, sterling silver, and also they do so many beautiful other pieces. They don't just do engagement rings, they've got bracelet, necklaces, earrings, so many other gorgeous pieces. So I'll leave their website linked in the description section down below if you want to check them out. And thank you as well for watching today's video. I hope to see you in one of my future videos. Until next time, take care and bye for now.